everybody, and welcome to episode 2 of my journey to Canada. All right, so in this episode, we're going to talk about the application process itself. So in episode 1, I spoke about why I chose to become a student, and I pretty much, told you the things that went through my mind when I made the decision. So if you didn't see that, go and check it out. I also told you financially why did I make this move. So go over episode 1 if you're just a come. Right? And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please let me know if the information is helpful to you, and let me know questions you'd like me to address in my next episode. All right, so let's talk about the application process. So some things I thought about after doing part 1 that I didn't say that I think I need to say is that 1, I applied to be a student. I also applied for my work permits and my permanent residence without a lawyer. So I did everything all by myself, no consulting agency, no lawyers, no hidden fees, nothing like that. So I didn't talk to anybody. I just read the things that I needed to know and went through all the documents that I needed to go through, and I applied and I got them. All right, so I'm going to share all that with you. You don't need anything else but the ability to read to be able to do this process yourself. If you are, however, a little bit overwhelmed, it's good to have, a couple people you can ask, especially me. I'm here. You can ask me questions on, just things that you're not sure about, things that you read and you don't understand exactly what they mean. You can always ask me and I'll try my best to answer based on my experience. I have no professional accolades to say that I have anything to do with immigration, but I am a immigrant and I did my process myself, so I am trying to help others. All right, so in episode 2, which is this one, we're going to talk about the application process itself. All right, I'm not going to tell you exactly like the things that you can go and read, but if you want me to explain it, I did do a little bit of an explanation on my moving to Canada video on the general information that you need. So when I started the application process, the first thing I did was to apply for a school. So I applied for Humber. I told you in my last video it cost $75 to apply for school. Now, what I didn't tell you is to go to school at that time, which I'm sure it's not that right now, it was $17,000. Wow. So it was $17,000 Canadian dollars to go to school, and roughly Jamaican dollar, that's gonna be like, maybe at that time like 1.7 million. Yeah, so you're like, where to get that money from? But I'm gonna tell you some things that I wish I knew before I came here, and some things that can help you along this process. So, all right, so after I apply for school, I'm gonna get through. Once I get through with school, I start look about the police record. So police record it costs like $6,000, 6,000 Jamaican dollar for the police record. Each bank statement you're gonna get, soon talk about the bank statement, but each bank statement you're gonna get cost to, right? For pay for school and all of that, everything come at a cost, right? So just know that. So school way is the easier way, but it is the most expensive way when it comes to lifestyle expense. The application process itself, I think the application itself for a permanent resident is the most expensive application. Yeah, but we'll talk about that when we go way down a permanent resident. So when I really ready for going to say it, we have to go through school and then go through work before we reach a permanent resident. But yeah, you don't have to worry about that. The money will come, right? Trust me, the money will come. So yeah, now I'm apply for school, right? I'm gonna get through with the application. No, I'm get my application letter. I'm gonna get like, yes, get like that school. So that was my first step I'm gonna get through. And yeah, as me tell you, I'm gonna talk about my full journey. When me I go through that journey, I'm never tell nobody, right? So even though as me tell you, I'm gonna look about doing the permanent resident thing. At one point, I did talk to one person about it, and I never get a good feedback. So I never bother talk to nobody else about it. Once I get through with school, my next step was getting them documents there. So even though I didn't get the transcript for school, remember? Oh, I never tell you. So I do it online, so everything I just scan, right? So I say, all right, I'm gonna get 2 transcripts because I know I might need one transcript down in a day. You know, when I later down, I might need one next transcript. So I take 1 transcript when I have seal, because you know them say some of the transcript them have to seal out of school, I'm gonna say, you know, in a relevant. So I think Umba never asked me for a transcript, you know. I think them asked me for send them a transcript to them directly. So I'm go up to the school and pay for the transcript they send to them. I get one seal one for myself. And I get one regular one just for what my Avan can use and do things. So I end up have 3 transcripts I have to pay for. But me like to prepare. So me go ahead of time and get them transcript there. Yeah, the application asks for a whole heap of things. Like the application asks to prove the application for school. Remember now, you know, me apply for school about April. And me get through say about when me get through for school, maybe May, little bit after, quick. But me want apply for my visa quick too. I remember I well want go foreign. But I never know say I well want go, because I never tell nobody, but me did want go because there was so much things going on around me in my life where I couldn't deal with at the time. I said I want go foreign because I need the break, I need to get away from all of this. There was so much happening. I never share this with nobody. I never share what my experiences when I go through with nobody. So I say I need to leave. I just need to leave so I can get a new environment, a new place, and can start a new life. Now remember me did tell you say 2 years ago I did apply for school and I never do it. Now me like everybody else say we're gonna get one sponsor. Alright? My friend tell me say she get one sponsor when she come to Canada. So me say, me I get one sponsor too. Me must know somebody in my family where I can willing to say, make a sign you for you. Dog, I'm not gonna use your money. I just need you to say, here is the money for her to go to school. Me, I got go work my own money and I go pay for my school myself. I just need it to back me up and say, if anything, I am here to stand for her. That is what the sponsor do. In truth and in fact, the sponsor is supposed to be responsible for your financial expenses. And them know that. So if you fall short, legally them obligated to you, you know. But we know, say, and really that would depend. We just try to get through. So we are say, all right, just do it for me, no man. Me not gonna spend your money. Me gonna get my own way out. And if me even spend your money, me gonna pay you back. Couldn't find nobody. 2015, I couldn't find nobody. I asked everybody. Everybody said they're not money. They're not even getting the money they from. So they stand the financial security for nobody. So they couldn't find nobody. So I say, all right, I find other ways to get the money, right? So I can explain to you what a sponsor is. I did talk about it based on my little, you know, knowledge what me know. But I tell you what I think. I know what a sponsor is based on what I read. So a sponsor is somebody who will go stand for you to say, I am responsible for this person while they're here in this state, in this status. So while this person is here as a student, I will be housing that person and I will take care of their financial needs. Whatever, because the sponsor offer write a letter and say what them a plan for do. Right? The sponsor also, once you get somebody, because everybody knows they like me. Some of we have people who can't ask. Once I get the sponsor, now the sponsor have to tell you how much money them a plan for them have where them can, you know, dedicate to you. That I may go give may have $20,000 may dedicate to this person. And you kind of explain that. You can see examples of sponsor letters too. And them tell you, you know, me have the money and me a plan for use the money to help this person. I've seen people, I have friends who them get sponsor letters and it work for them. And I know people who get sponsor letters and it don't work for them. Now, for my sponsorship, as I tell you, I start to live a different life. 2015 to 2017, I go frugal. Me not go nowhere. Me not do nothing. Falls here, me top wear. Anything in my head, I braid. If I not braid, me I crochet in. I braid and make it look like falls here. Me start to live on the line of me need to save every single cent we me have. right? So I said I could have save up the money and so I start do different things now. I start saying I need multiple sources of income because I need to do this and I need to do it quick. So I start sell clothes, I start sell food, I sell banana, plantain, pear, you know, I sell pear, I sell everything. I got digital and I just walk like a farmer woman I sell. Ask anybody in the digital office, them will tell us I sell pear, I sell plant, I sell banana, I sell everything. Me go country with clothes in my car and sell the people in my country clothes. And me come from country with grown provisions and come back, come sell the people in a town grown provisions. So me I sell coconut, me I sell jelly, me I sell everything. Other than that, I start one ice cream business. I'm gonna start sell ice cream too. So here you know, me, I gotta work. I'm working. I remember say them tell me I work at digital. I gotta work full-time job. I gotta work every evening. I come home. Remember, I me I apply for. Me know say me I got fired. You know, me know me I got fired. As much as it not come true yet, me know say it I got happen. So I start get things in place. Cause I don't have the mindset say yeah man. By you know. By end of year, me I go away. I feel me think that me I go away by December. I start to tell people it not directly tell them say me I left, but I start give them little hints for make them know say I have a plan to come up. Enough people never take the hint. I'm gonna tell you about that too. So I say, alright, me I go start now. Me I go start save. So I start sell all of them things that I tell you about a while ago. I start to save up the money and so I said me can do it. Now Canada is honestly, I love Canada. Canada don't pressure you. First thing, them don't even ask if you show them the full money. Canada don't ask if you show them don't ask if you show say you can pay for $17,000. Them don't ask that, and them know most people can't pay $17,000. Them know say you go come here come work, and them want you to come here come work them want you to come here work part-time and go to school. So I saw them look on things. Them know you go come work, and them want you to come work. So I say, alright, how much money I have to go show? So I start to research that. How much money I have to go show? Some people say show half of the money, half of 17 hours. Not even remember. Half of 17 hours. 10, 5, 3, 8, 8, 5. You know what? Half of 17, I look at 8,500, somewhere so. So I said, $8,500. Oh, you can find $8,500. That's 800,000. Could find it same way. So some people say you don't have to show so much, you have to show like a certain amount. So them start to say, you can show money, you can show assets, you can show your car, you can show things like that. Now me have a car, so me I say, alright, I'm gonna sell my car. And if I sell my car, I'm gonna get some money from that. I'm gonna have all of the money there. And I can show the money for go to school. Alright? So I say, alright. Anyways, I come up with some ways and I put together one little bit of money. And some people say I got 2 little bits. Them now I go take that and so I'm gonna say, I'm not in Canada States. So I'm gonna start redoing and I'm gonna start to say, so what if I have all of the money and so? And them start to say if you have housing that help and so I say, but I don't have none of that, what am I gonna do? Anyways, I say, you know what? I go in a faith. God, I put God in front of me and I go. And me, I go start apply even when I don't know how the money will come. So I start to put together and say. So about that time, I say I end up with can show $5,000. I say either between $5,000 to $6,000 I end up could have show. And I say I go in a faith and them I go know say I don't have all right now, but eventually I'll have all right. So somebody say, like me I read online forums. So somebody say, write one letter of explanation and tell him how you're going to get the money and you will get through. I'm going to say, I can't do that. I can't go write one letter explanation and tell them, say, me go get the money from working and me go come to Canada earlier and work before school starts. So, you know, I'm starting, but all sorts of things now what I go do. So, the money part did a whole and palm me. So I say, you know what? I got little money in my bank book and little money me put on my bank book and so I go for my bank statement. Then I go for my bank statement. Then I go for my bank statement. I'm show them the $5,000. Remember I said the $5,000 can't pay my school fee, you know, and the people I ask money for show it for money fee Not the school fee, them I ask you for show the money for, money for take care of yourself for the year. That is what them I ask you for. And them tell you how much them think you are gonna need for the year. And that them want you for sure. Not school fee. But me, I show them my school fee because guess what? My school fee alone me they have. The little 500,000 me have was for my school fee. And me never go pay no school fee and then I have nothing for show them. So me say, me I go show them the money, say it me go use to take care of myself. The school fee will come. I will pay my school fee before I go to school. Remember, say this about me. I'm not go to school till next year. So me never even choose school. I choose school long. So 2018 January, I say I go start school. Right? So I have from me and now to 2018 January, I have to think about these things logically, just like all. Remember, say me you're gonna look on documents. Think about it logically. So I start saying I have so much months to get the school fee. You can't fight me. Me applying on me. Me can't if you give me the visa now, me cannot go work as a student. I make the money before me even ready for go to school. That was my thought. So I say, alright. So I say, alright, I'm gonna do it. It's not one thing that them say that are the reason why we are turning you down. It's the story. Them look on the story or the story flow and it don't make sense to them. And that's why them turn you down.